Hello, Professor, last name. My name is your name, and I'm currently completing my degree in your major at your university. I've been following your research on specific topic closely, and I'm particularly fascinated by specific detail about their work. Your innovative approach to another aspect of their research has inspired me to explore how I can contribute to the field. My academic journey has been shaped by a deep interest in your specific research interests. During my time at your university, I've had the opportunity to work on briefly describe a relevant project or experience. This experience not only strengthened my understanding of related skills or topics, but also fueled my passion for advancing research in this area. I am particularly interested in your work on a specific project or paper by the professor. I believe my background in mention-relevant skills or experiences would allow me to bring a unique perspective to your research team. I am eager to learn from your expertise and contribute to ongoing projects, especially in areas such as mention specific areas of interest. To further align my academic pursuits with your research, I have attached my CV, a brief research proposal, and my academic transcripts for your consideration. I would greatly appreciate the opportunity to discuss potential research opportunities with you. Your guidance would be invaluable as I continue to develop my research skills and explore how I can make meaningful contributions to the field. Thank you for taking the time to consider my application. I am truly excited about the possibility of working under your guidance and contributing to the groundbreaking research being conducted in your lab. I look forward to the possibility of discussing this further. Sincerely, your name. Your contact information